Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to enable dark mode with Windows 11. Let's start. Search the color setting from the Windows 11. Just type in the box in the color setting. There is the color setting. Here to find the color setting, and here you find the personalization and colors. Oh, here there's been all here you choose the option for the Windows. Currently it is active the light version. That's been default on search. But today's we want to turn it the dark mode. Here the another option is dark. So if we turn on in the dark mode, darks and then all the windows including all apps and all the windows will be there turned into the dark mode. So let's say all the windows already turned into the dark mode, but there is some another option. So let's back in the light mode. Then there is some another option, so I will show you. Then here the customization, that's here we can customize the another thing. Here the windows default mode, if we turn this the dark mode, here the windows related just like taskbar will be turned in the dark mode. But let's see and other windows like file explorer and the application of the browser, the Microsoft Edge is not turned in the dark. Just only the Windows part, only the turned in the dark. So let back in the light mode again. So here is the another option, the application mode. If we turn it the dark mode, so your default application mode. That's mean if we turn in the dark mode, that's when Windows will not turn in the dark mode, but all the application. Let's say the File Explorer and the Windows Explorer, Explorer window is Windows Explorer and File Explorer, and as well as the browser turn into the dark mode. But Windows taskbar is not still in the light mode, not in the dark mode. Here I have shown the several option. You can customize as you like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.